Samsung's latest smartwatch evolution isn't just another iteration. It's a bold shift in health-focused wearables, backed by smarter software and cleaner hardware. With official renders leaked by Evan Blass, we now have a comprehensive look at the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and the new addition to the lineup, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. And yes, it's 2025, not Ultra 2. Making it clear this isn't a next-gen leap, but rather a visual refresh. While the internal hardware remains consistent across the lineup, including the same chipset and 1.5-inch AMOLED display, the differences lie in the design language and features enabled by One UI 8 Watch. The Watch 8 Classic is visually a refined nod to the Watch Ultra design, but more elegant and less bulky. However, the strap design, confirmed in Samsung's own render, leaves something to be desired. The connection point lacks the angular finish that gave previous models a premium touch. This minor design miss stands out in an otherwise sleek piece of hardware. The regular Watch 8, meanwhile, adopts a softened cushion case that's subtler than the Classic and Ultra, giving it the cleanest silhouette of the trio. While subjective, many might find this to be the best looking of the new lineup. It still doesn't stray into generic round smartwatch territory, which helps it maintain a unique identity. The Watch Ultra 2025 doesn't bring new tech, but introduces a fresh color variant. And that's it. Samsung hasn't changed the core features, sensors, or chipset, reinforcing that it's more about style than substance this year for the Ultra. Notably, side-by-side comparisons between the Ultra and Classic might give the impression of different screen sizes, but that's just an illusion. They both retain the same 1.5-inch display. The Watch 8 Classic will be available in just one size, 47mm, while the standard Watch 8 will stick to the traditional two-size approach. Software is where the big moves happen. One UI 8 Watch introduces a range of new, health-centric features. Bedtime guidance is a standout addition. It uses sleep data to recommend optimal sleeping times and offers reminders to help users stick to it. Then there's vascular load, which tracks how much strain your blood vessels endure during sleep. This feature, which requires at least 3 nights of use over a 2-week period, could serve as an early indicator of cardiovascular concerns. Another addition is the running coach, which creates personalized training plans and gives real-time running feedback. Perhaps the most surprising feature is the antioxidant index. In just 5 seconds, it measures carotenoid levels in your skin, offering a rough estimate of your body's ability to fight oxidative stress and aging. While it sounds futuristic, Samsung is clear that both the antioxidant index and vascular load are experimental. That means limited accuracy and no medical backing yet, but the potential is impressive. One UI 8 Watch also aligns visually with One UI 7, introducing pill-shaped tiles that attempt to reconcile rectangular interfaces with round displays. It's a design experiment that might prove elegant or awkward, depending on implementation. As for pricing and release, Samsung is expected to unveil the Watch 8 lineup officially at its Unpacked event in July, with shipping likely in early August. Pricing remains consistent with previous generations. The Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to start at around $299, the Classic at $399, and the Watch Ultra 2025 may retail near $499.